before I even start. Okay. Good afternoon, good afternoon, everybody. Okay. Good afternoon. Hi, Ansari. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, hello everybody. I am Bhavana Bisht and we are doing the second session for periodic classification of elements. This is me, that photo is also me, and as you can see, I have around actually 4 plus, but okay, 3 plus years of experience in teaching. I have taught in 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 standard, and that too CBSE, SSC, and ICSE boards. So no worries about there. I know English, Hindi, Marathi. So if any point of time you feel that you don't understand anything, you want me to change the language, please free to tell me. Okay? So today we're doing the second part of the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements for CBSE class 10th. So I think we should get going. Thank you, Vicky. Good afternoon, Vicky. Okay, I'll be seeing down when I am looking at your chats. Okay? Okay, now we are here. We are able to connect because of Unacademy's platform, and I think we should obviously know about all the wonderful things that Unacademy has to offer. So very first is Unacademy has a plus platform where you can go and get your plus subscription. Exactly. What do I mean by plus subscription? So over here you get to pay money but receive the world class services so that you can be the top of wherever you want to be. So here are the plans, and let me tell you, it is less than 1,000 per month, and which is the most quality and the cheapest education that you're going to get out there. So are there any other reasons that I am conveying this to you? Yes. And that you get to study all subjects daily. Yes, and that too from your favorite educator. You have choices to choose from wherever you understand, from whoever you understand the best. Just go for it. Then there are live weekly quizzes, doubt solving live sessions, because obviously no doubts are silly. And what do we want? We want your doubts are cleared. Chak chaka chak. Followed by practice questions and test series, because bhaiya ji, obviously abhi kya hai, exams are coming up and we always search that for one platform jahan pe mujhe test series mile, MCQs mile, answer writing mile, so I don't forget writing, I don't even lose any 1 marks. Yes, so all of this is sorted in your practice questions and test series. And you know the best part is that everything is from the comfort of your houses. So what are you waiting for, guys? You can join me on Plus. We can meet every day. Plus, there's another type of platform and subscription that Unacademy has to offer, and that is known as the iconic subscription, and it is literally iconic. How do I say so? Because kitne baar aise hota hai, you are opening your book and you don't understand. You don't understand what to take, what to do, exactly what to do, right? So here we have a personal mentor to guide you. Then we have light doubt solving solutions, so none of your doubt are ever left behind. Parent cunning, because obviously you and me both don't like to tell our parents, oh, kam wale marks, bilkul bhi nahi. But it is essential कि उनको पता हो. So it helps in all holistic development. So they also know what to do with you. Unacademy is offering you all that there is. So it's just a 100% package deal. Followed by a study planner, because whenever, I don't know about you, when I was in 9th and 10th standard, I used to open my book and I was like, yaar, kya padho? Like, I could not study till my boards were near. Why? Because I did not plan it out. So if you don't plan to fail, right? So there's a study planner which you can stick to and ace your board examinations. So you can either go for the Plus subscription or you can either go for the Iconic subscription. Okay, this is one slide which gives you all the information that you require, and all the classes are live. Yes, so you get to ask the doubts instantaneously. Plus, English and Hindi both are available. So you don't need to be very kaise karu, kya karu, you know? Yeah. So, अगर आपको English नहीं समझ में आती, तो you can watch your sessions in Hindi, and if you don't understand Hindi, you can watch your sessions in English. You have the choice, and it is a perfecto thing. There's no language barrier. Class notes are available after every session, and you can just download as soon as the session is over. So you get the notes, you get the material on the spot. That too from your favorite educator. So what are you waiting for, guys? Okay, and if you wish to subscribe, you can use my code, that is BBLive10, and you will get a 10% off on your subscription. Yes, and also there's a new feature on Unacademy that if you are going for the first time and अगर आपको पहली बार में कोई free sessions attend करने हैं, so आपको एक code डालना पड़ेगा. So otherwise you will not be able to access the free things. Okay, so for that you can use the code BBLIVE10. Okay, and all the free content will be available to you without any cost. Okay, so let's begin. Let's keep our thinking caps on and let's crack it, everybody. So today we are continuing with the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements, and today I think we'll complete it because there's a very little left. Hi Punita Tripathi, hi Trupti Lata Parida, hello. No, we don't have quiz today. Today is a theory session. So if you want to learn more about the theory of periodic classification of elements, this is the right place for you. Today there are no quizzes. Okay, this is all the part that we have done. Yes, we are done with Obrigne's triads, and at least you need to remember 2 of them. Okay, so at the end of the session we are going to revise the whole slide. Okay, so that we don't miss out on anything. Now today we are going to start with the modern periodic table. Okay, so the modern periodic table was actually after Mendeleev gave his periodic table, everybody was so pumped and they were like, finally, because they were so, you know, okay, we are trying to classify but we are not able to, right? But Mendeleev was a person who not only did it but also gave hope to other people, and they were damn motivated to go forward. So now what? We had Henry Moseley in the year 1913. He was like, you know, everybody has tried to classify, they are not able to. So there might be some little problem that they are facing, right? Hi Nishant, yes, I remember you. Hello. Hi Punita, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, Punita Tripathi. Thank you for asking. Hi Akansha Das. Hello. Okay, so when we had Henry was like, okay. इतने सारे लोगों ने try किया है, something might be going wrong, right? So he was like, कुछ तो तूफानी करते हैं. Yes, let's change the whole perspective on how we are looking at it, right? So he was like, abhi tak we were taking the atomic mass, right? So he was like, let's change the whole basis only. Let's change the whole basis and let's go to something new. And what is that something new, ma'am? What is that something new? Let's not take atomic mass, but let's go to something called as atomic number, you beautiful people. Yes. So Henry Moseley in the year 1930 was the first person to say, "Arre bhaiya ji, the atomic number of an element is a more fundamental property than atomic mass." Ji haan. And इसीलिए till today we could not have a good classification. So everybody's like, "Oh, wow." Ma'am, what, Nishant? I cannot understand whatever you said. आप क्या और मेरे बर्थडे दिस मंथ में है ना? Yes, we both share our birthdays. That's right. In the same month. So Mendeleev's periodic table was modified, guys. The basis was what? The basis was atomic mass. But everyone was like, क्या atomic mass क्या है? अभी हेनरी मोजेले ने बोला ना atomic number. Let's change it. So it was changed, and hence the statement, the principle on which the modern periodic table was established is the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Okay? Yep. So, this is a very important statement. Whenever you're asked to write classification, modern periodic table, make sure that you write the statement. Okay? It just has another blow to it. Yes, and it might come for your exams for 1 mark. Okay? December, yes, Nishant, that's correct. So the modern periodic table, modern periodic law can be stated as properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Okay. So atomic number, as we all know, is denoted by the letter Z. Yes, and this atomic number led to the establishment, classification of all the elements that were known, and this table today is called as the modern periodic table. All the tables or the periodic tables that you study are all based on the modern periodic table. Okay, now what happened over here was, he first prediction, okay, when Mendeleev actually predicted 3 elements, it was quite difficult. यार एक के बाद क्या आएगा? So people were very confused. क्योंकि it was not moving in like one by one नहीं ना. एक जगह 53 होता तो the next element was 56. There was no exact continuity with the sense of numbers. But when you look at the modern periodic table, what do you have? Hydrogen 1 है मैम, helium 2 है, right? Lithium 3 है, boron 4 है. Yes, that's correct. So everyone is arranged with amazing precision and on the basis of increasing atomic number rather than, as you can see, it is increasing atomic number rather than increasing atomic mass number. Clear? That is absolutely correct, Nishant. Absolutely correct. Hi, Debo Priya. Hi. Deb, you're a 9th standard, right? This is a 10th standard session, but if you wish to attend, you can absolutely. So this is how the modern periodic table looks like. Looks very big, right? Because obviously today we know 118 elements. सही है. क्या ही बोल सकते हैं? Discover कर रहे हैं हम. So as you can look at them, everyone is color coded nicely arranged, and everything is available to me at a glance. That was the main agenda behind classification, right? Because just imagine, I got 118 elements, and obviously for every element I can at least write up to a 50 or 100 page depending on their properties, how they react, how are they available, where are they found, and ऐसे करके बहुत सारे subtopics में I think at least we can write 50, at least now we can go above it, 50 to 100 pages, and 118 elements का अगर हमने हर एक का 100 लिया तो there will be a book of around 1000 pages and more. Yeah. So do you really think अगर आपको एक ऑक्सीजन के बारे में पढ़ना है तो आप इतने पेजेस पलटाओगे? You will actually go for a book? नहीं ना. It just makes it more difficult. Although people who are really interested might do it, but आपके और हमारे जैसे लोगों का क्या होगा जो बस पढ़ने के लिए आए हैं? Yeah, we cannot do 1000 pages. टेक्स्ट बुक भी तो पढ़नी है मैम, एनटीएससी का प्रिपरेशन भी करना है, ओलंपियाड का प्रिपरेशन भी करना है, और अब 1000 पेज की बुक भी पढ़ने बोल रहे हो? Not possible, right? Absolutely not possible. Now possible है, but difficult है. ठीक नहीं? So I want something at one glance. I look at it and I know most of the properties, and I am sorted for the examinations and also the understanding, because it will be very easy and very easy to grasp. right? So for that, we have the modern periodic table. Hi A Yadav, hello. So what do we do? बना दिया periodic table, ठीक है. अब इसमें rows भी है, columns भी है, perfecto, right? So all the horizontal rows are called as periods. All the horizontal rows are called as periods in the modern periodic table. Okay? Yes. And jitne bhi vertical lines hai na, however vertical lines, can you see all these vertical lines? Columns 1, 2, 3, and you have 18 vertical lines, right? So all these vertical columns are named as groups. All of these are named as groups. Cool. So in the modern periodic table, we have 18 groups, as you can look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't start to dance. I'm not giving you beats. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right? Ma'am, हम छोटे बच्चे नहीं, आपको पढ़ने आता है. I know. So we have 18 groups. How many periods, ma'am? Let's count. So we have, where's my pen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 periods. Okay, what are periods? Horizontal. And what are groups? Vertical. Cool. I hope this is clear, everybody. Adarsh Mishra, hi. Ma'am, is this on Academy app? No, this is on YouTube that you're seeing me. But yes, this session is also available on the Unacademy app. Hi, amazing videos by Webhub. No, today we don't have any quiz. This is a theory session and we will be doing so. Okay. Thank you so much, Nishan. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see. So this is all what we just saw. So the modern periodic table has vertical columns known as groups. So if you have like first I used to get a lot confused into columns and rows. So याद नहीं रहता, तो vertical columns are called as groups. Okay, open your notebooks, because whenever you're attending any sessions, I highly request you all to always sit with a notebook and pen so you can jot down all the important points. Okay, and the horizontal what? Rows, exactly. You know, confusion. So horizontal rows are called as periods. So you can just make 2 bullet points and write this down. Okay. Thank you, Adarsh Mishra. Thank you so much. Okay. So till here, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. We'll try to solve it, and then we will move on to the trends of the periodic table. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Nishant, you want to know the meaning of my name? That is your doubt from periodic classification of elements? The meaning of my name is feelings, though. Yeah, so no doubts? Do we have no doubts? I think we don't. So let's move again. Okay. Ding 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 ding. Whew. So the trends on periodic table, and we are moving to valencies. Okay, so when I say the term valency, what is it? We have already studied valency 9th में बहुत घिस के पढ़ा था, है कि नहीं? It was difficult a little bit, but it's easy, right? So now let's go back. Okay, now for valencies we'll have to draw some diagrams of atoms. We'll do that. Yes, not a big deal, right? So let's take hydrogen, lithium and Na. Okay, hydrogen, lithium, Na. You will remember it for me. 1, 3, 11. Cool. Okay, now let's take hydrogen. So when I say hydrogen, can you tell me the atomic number of hydrogen? In the comment section, everybody. The atomic number of hydrogen right now. Come on. I know you can do it. Yes, exactly. This is 1. Amazing. What is the electronic configuration? अरे मैम एक ही तो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, क्या ही कॉन्फ़िगर हो जाएगा? So it is only 1. So let's draw the atomic structure. So I'll have a nucleus in the middle with 1 proton. Yes. And then I have the K shell with 1. Don't mind. The circles are never good circles. So I will have 1 electron. Cool. Yes. What was the next one? The next one was lithium. Lithium 3, right? Exactly. Can you tell me the electronic configuration, anybody? Can you tell me the electronic configuration? I'm waiting. It's all right, Nishant. It's absolutely all right. Come on, come on. 3 electronic configuration. Nishant is like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. अरे आगे का भी बता दो. ठीक है, आप बताओगे तब तक हम लिख देते हैं. So it is 2, 1, right? Because the K shell has the maximum capacity of 2 electrons. So let's draw the nucleus, and then we'll have the K shell, and then we will have the L shell. Okay, मेरी रोटियां भी इतनी नहीं बनती, like non-goal. But let's assume. Okay, so I have 2 electrons in the K shell and 1 electron in the last shell, right? Yes, absolutely correct. So the valency कितना होगा? Hydrogen का what is the valency? Ma'am, the number of electrons in the outermost shell is the best way to sometimes find out the valency. Yes. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. Absolutely correct. How many electrons are present over here in the outermost shell? 1 electron, ma'am. Valency कितना हो गया? 1 हो गया. Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. I'm so intelligent. See? Yes. But. Is it really? Oh my god. Now I'll have to decide. I'll just discard. Discard ही करना होता तो हम ऐसे क्यों ही करते? चलो. Now let's go back to sodium. Sodium is Na. Atomic number is 11, right? Yes. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 10 ho gaya. 1. Let's draw it. So I have the nucleus, then I have the K shell, which absolutely does not look like a K shell. Let's take, oh my god. Yeah, so I have the nucleus, I have the K shell, I have the, it does not go undo on this. Yes, then I have L shell, and then I have the, yeah. So I have 2 electrons. Yes. Then I have 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Only 1 electron in the outermost shell. So again, what is the valency? 1 electron, ma'am, 1 electron. So kya pata chala? So if you go to any group, okay, and if you calculate the valency of all the people in any particular group, for example, in 1, all the valencies in 1 are group 1 are 1. Exactly. So that is one amazing trend that you can remember, that the valencies in a group are same. Cool. Next would be what? Are there any similarities between the periods and valencies? Actually, no. So there is no as such relation between valency and in periods. Okay. So what is here important is groups, and that every person in the group has the same valency. Cool. N means Nishant. Wow, Nishant. Wow. So next let's move to atomic size. Before going on to atomic size, I hope you don't have any doubts. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Come on everybody, come on everybody. Okay, now let's move to atomic size. Okay, now we'll find out the relation with respect to both groups and periods. Cool. So what is atomic size? Now if you are a novice, you are very new to this. So if I have anything, okay, anything related to atomic size, you just have to do what? You just have to draw the nucleus, okay, the center part of the nucleus, and then let's say it only has a K shell. But I need over here a very perfect circle. Okay, let's draw a okay. We need a very perfect circle. So let's draw a circle. Shall we? No, we'll have to insert. Okay, yeah, got a circle? Yes, ma'am, got it. So now what? So when I have the atomic size, I'll just take the center, okay? In the nucleus, I'll take the center and its distance from the center to this point. Oh, wait. This I also know as the radius, right? Yes, absolutely correct. So the center of the circle to the end point or in the circle, we say that is the atomic size, okay? So whenever we will be doing atomic size, we will be taking this into consideration, okay? But as you go into higher standards, the atomic size definition and how to measure it all changes. So yeah, for now you need to remember this. So let's see. So first we are going to do what? Let's do groups. Again, hydrogen, lithium and Na only will do. Cool. So let's draw them. So when I take hydrogen, okay, let's draw hydrogen. I have the nucleus. I have only the K shell with one electron. Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. Next one, let's take lithium with 3 electrons. Perfecto. So hydrogen 1, lithium 3. So I have the nucleus. I have the K shell that has only 1 electron. Then I have the 2 electrons in the K shell. Then I have the L shell with only 1 electron. Perfect, ma'am. Now let's move on to the next one, and that is my sodium. Okay, so I take sodium. I have the nucleus. Okay, then I have the K shell with 2 electrons. Then I have the L shell with 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect, ma'am. But 10 are done, right? Only 1 electron in the outermost shell. That's correct. So let's take one more, because you'll be like, ma'am, so you take only little Na only. Let's take K also. Yeah, let's take potassium also. So when I take potassium, let's change the color. Which color? No, that would be very similar. Yeah, yellow. Let's take K. So we have the nucleus, K shell, L shell, M shell, and then I think we'll go in the N shell also. Let's see. Okay, don't go into the shapes of the circles because they are very freehand drawing. Okay, on the book they are very much better. Let me say that. So my K is equals to, where is my pen? My pen is going out of my pack. Yeah. So K is equals to 19, right? So 2 electrons here, 8 electrons here, 8 electrons here. How many are done? 16, 17, 18 are done, and only 1 electron in the outermost shell. So again, what is happening? What is happening over here? Let me see what is happening. Here I have only K shell. Here I have only K shell. Here I have K and L both. Here I have K shell, L shell and M shell. And here I have K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell also. Oh my god, I have all. So what exactly is happening, ma'am? As I'm going down the group, newer shells are getting added, right? And then when you calculate the distance from the nucleus, array ma'am, what is this happening? Yeah, the size is only increasing. Exactly. So the atomic size increases as we go down the group. The atomic size increases. Understood? Yes. Why does it increase, ma'am? Why do I see this amazing increase? And you see this amazing increase only and only because I have newer shells. Which are getting added. Cool? Everybody? So this is what happens. Now I think we are done with the groups. Now let's study the same part in comparison to my periods. Okay, I hope you have written this down and you have drawn 2-3 diagrams, because with diagrams you understand the best. Everything is amazingly clear. So please go for it. Okay, now let's take one period. What will we take? Something small diagrams, right? So lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. Should we do that? Lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. So I'm going to take lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. Okay, let's draw lithium first. So when I take lithium, you cannot hear my voice properly. I think it will come to you very nicely in 1-2 seconds. There might be due to the buffering issue that you're facing. Okay, so I take the nucleus. What is the atomic number of lithium, guys? If I'm not wrong, it's 3, right? So it's 3. So I have the K shell with 2 electrons. Yes, I'm just writing 2 electrons because this is not how you do it in the exam. Let me also not do it. So that will be like, मैम कुछ बोल कुछ और रही है, कर कुछ और रही है, मैम का ना कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. Yes, so I have 1 electron, 2 electron and then another electron. Cool. Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. क्या circle है, ma'am? You'll get Grammys for this circle. Then we have the beryllium, N. 4, right? Exactly. So 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. Perfecto. Let's go to boron. Boron is 5. Yes, ma'am. Let's change the color. So my nucleus, my K shell and my L shell. So this is 2 electrons. Perfect, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Done. 5 are done. Okay, cool. Let's change the color. So we have the nucleus, we have the K shell that has 2 electrons, carbon we all know is 6, and we have another shell with 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now don't go on my drawing, okay? Thank you so much, Nishan. Thank you so much. Now don't go on the drawing, okay? Now what is happening? Do you see any newer shells are getting added? No, but now what do we see? We see that electrons are getting added progressively, right? They are getting added progressively. But what do you mean by that, ma'am? What do you mean by that? Huh. So what do I mean over here is, when you're adding electrons, what is going to happen? Huh? Your nuclear charge is also going to increase, and my nucleus has positive things. It has all the positive things. Yes, ma'am. When it has all the positive things, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Very simple. Positive and negative attraction. So if I have more and more negative charge coming in, what is going to happen? More and more attraction is going to happen, and when more and more attraction happens, what do I see? I see that the atomic size reduces as we go from left to right. Okay, so write it down. The atomic size decreases, cool, as we go from left to right in a period. Okay, so this is what we have. So if you don't have any doubts till here, please let me know. Okay, so I think no doubts. So let's get going. So this is all about the atomic size. Okay, so what will I write in the atomic size section? So let's write groups. So let's write groups. Atomic size increases as we go down the group, right? And in periods, the atomic size decreases, okay, as we go from left to right in the periodic table. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. So you can either, it is better if you write it in bullet points, or if you like it, write it in sentences. So this is how you can write. Atomic size decreases from moving left to right. And why does it happen? And this is a very hotspot question for examiners, because they can easily ask you कि ऐसा क्यों होता है? Yeah, they can ask you to give reason. So reason would be, this is due to the increase in nuclear charge, which tends to pull the electrons closer to the nucleus to reduce the size of the atom. Okay, cool. And what happens in the group, ma'am? In the group, as we go down the group, as we are going from hydrogen, lithium, Na, potassium, so what is happening? My atomic size is increasing. Why? Because new shells, new orbits are getting added. Here I had only K, here I have K and L, here I have K, L and M, and here I have K, L, M, N. So as the shells are increasing, what is going to happen? They are going away from the nucleus, and hence the atomic size increases in spite increase in the nuclear charge. क्योंकि nuclear charge तो इधर भी होगा ना, इतने सारे electrons are coming. Yeah, so obviously like nuclear charge is going to increase, but my shell is also increasing now. So it's going away from the nucleus now, and hence my atomic size increases as we are going down the group. Cool. Next we have, and the last property that we study in relation to the modern periodic table about the elements for 10th standard is metallic and non-metallic properties. Okay, so let's go back to the periodic table, shall we? So when I say lithium, Na, magnesium, aluminium, right? Okay, so when I say scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Oh my god, man, these are all metals, yeah? Right, but when I say carbon, nitrogen, silicon, sulfur, chlorine, bromine. No ma'am, I have studied the chapter metals and non-metals and I don't think so they are metals. Are they? No, absolutely not. Okay. Hi Adarsh, ma'am, periodic table done. What, Nishant? So when I talk about the metallic and the non-metallic properties, so always remember the metallic properties decreases across the period. Matlab kya? As you're going from left to right. Yes. So towards the left, you'll find elements with amazing metallic property. But as you're going from left to right, the metallic property decreases. Okay, it decreases across the period. So over here you'll find metals. Then over here you'll find metalloids, and then at the end you're going to find all the non-metals, right? And I think we all know what metalloids are. Though we're like, yeah, meko metal bhi nahi banna, meko non-metal bhi nahi banna, I want to be something both, and that is my metalloids. So they have the properties of both metals and non-metals. Cool. Hi, Achanak Bhayanak Vines. Hi, I see you after many days. याद कैसे रहेगा? So if you want to remember the periodic table, it's very simple. You can remember it with the mnemonics. Okay, so they can be period wise or group wise, or you are on YouTube, right? So see, me teaching you the same thing, because there are thousands of videos available on mnemonics of periodic table. Okay, आपको बस type क्या करना है? Mnemonics on periodic table. Okay, and आपको इतने सारे गाने form में periodic table मिल जाएंगे ना, which will be so catchy and you will also learn. And recently in my Telegram channel, so I had shared a link. Closer song पता है? उसके lyrics में periodic table डाला था. So it was very catchy, very learning. So you can do that. Hi Bishwajit Saho, hello. Yes, you're here after Diwali. Hi, Achanak Bhayanak Wines. Hi Neeraj Gupta, hello. Okay. So let's talk about metallic character. So as I told you, when from the left to the right it goes on decreasing, इसीलिए हमको यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है? We get a lot decreasing. Okay, from left to right. So over here I get lots of metals. Over here I get metalloids. And at the end we get non-metals. Yes, why? Because metallic character जैसे जैसे right की तरफ जा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे वो decrease हो रहा है. Cool. Hi Sahil, yes. So this is all about the modern periodic table trends. So if you have any doubt till here, you can let me know. Is there a quiz? No, Harsh, there is not a quiz today, but there is, the next session will be a quiz of this. So if you have any doubts in the periodic table or the trends of the periodic table, the properties of the periodic table, please let me know right now. Anybody, everybody? Any doubt? I'm waiting. Next time with lots of quizzes. Okay, till then you can try and learn at least 20 elements. You can try and learn at least 20 elements. Actually in 10th standard you should know 30. So try and learn at least 30 elements of the periodic table, so it becomes easier, faster, and very amazing easy for you, because when you learn them you get an amazing happiness out of it. So I advise you all to go and do that. Okay, no doubt, absolutely amazing. Okay, yes. Drawback of periodic table. Why would be there a drawback? Yeah, all the elements which are known today are in front of your eyes in one particular paper. Yes, which can be a A4 paper or a less than that, but you can still see the elements with increasing order of their atomic number. You can recall their properties based on what their position is in the periodic table, right? So you're getting almost everything that you would require in the moment. Yes, so essentially there are no drawbacks to the modern periodic table. Okay. So this is it for today's session, guys. If you have any doubt or anything, you can put it in the question section. Okay, and I'll answer them. Cool? Understood? Amazing. Vishwajit Sahu. Yes. Okay, so I'll take your leave then. Stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, Vipin. Now we have finished the session. You can watch the recording. And do not forget, this is a YouTube live session. Do give it a big fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Okay? So you get notified whenever all the top educators of Unacademy are taking live sessions. Okay? Yes. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.